Okay, good morning students. Now today is discussion about the properties of the maxima and minima. Okay. Now here given show that the function f of x equal to sin x into 1 plus cos x is maximum at x equal to pi by 3 in the interval. That means 0 to pi by 3. Okay. Now here the maximum means first f of x given, f dash x find out. Now f dash is 0, what is x find out? This is the clear point. Then find the second derivative. Then substitute at x equal alpha if less than 0. Okay. Now here solution. F dash x equal to derivative of u into v. U into derivative of v 0 minus sin x, because derivative of constant equal to 0. Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x plus 1 plus cos x into derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Okay. Now here minus sin square x plus cos x plus cos square x. Okay. Now or you can write cos x plus cos square x minus sin square x. So cos square a minus sin square a equal how much? Cos 2a. So cos x plus cos 2x. Okay. Now this is a f dash x. Now f dash x equal to 0. So what is the value? Find out x find out. Okay. So that means cos x plus cos 2x equal to 0. Now solve the equation. We know that cos c plus cos d. What is the cos c plus cos d? Now 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is the formula. Okay. Now here, now 2 cos c plus d by 2, x plus 2x by 2, 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, cos 2x minus x cos x by 2, or cos or minus theta equal to, because cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay. Now a and b equal to 0. So cos 3x plus 2 equal to 0, or cos x by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now we know that if cos theta equal to 0, what is the theta? Now theta equal to 90 pi by 2. Okay. Now here cos theta equal to 0. That means here write 3x by 2 equal to pi by 2. So x equal to pi by 3. This is your one value. Now here x by 2 equal to pi by 2. Now x equal to pi. Now pi by 2 and pi. But here given in the interval 0 to pi. So close interval given. You take this one. Or also you can take this one. But between the 0 to pi, you take this one. Because it is already given is maximum. Okay. Next one is, so this is a critical point. These two are critical points. Okay. Now next one is, so what is the f double dash x find out? So f double dash x. Now this is f dash x. What is f double dash x? What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Okay. So what is the derivative of cos 2x? So minus 2 sin 2x. Because derivative of cos 2x equal to minus 2 sin x. And derivative of 2x equal to 2 by using chain rule. Okay. Now at x equal to pi by 3, f double dash of pi by 3 equal to, now substitute x equal to pi by 3. So minus sine pi by 3 minus 2 sine 2 pi by 3. Okay. So what is the sine pi by 3? Sine 60 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. What is the sine 120? Sine 120. What is the value of sine 120? Equal to sine 90 plus 30. Yes or no? So cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? Is root 3 by 2. So 2 to cancel out, equal to minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So minus 3 root 3 by 2 is less than 0. So negative. Therefore the function is maximum at x equal to pi by 3. This one. Okay. Here given. So the function is maximum. Yes, the function is maximum. Or we can write here both are negative. X equal to pi by 3. First coordinates all are positive. So f w x is less than equal to 0. Now, okay. Now next one is another problem is, now another example is, now find two numbers. Find two numbers whose sum is 24. Let us say x and y two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. As large as means maximum. That means is known as also maximum. Is maximum as large as possible. So maximum. All we can write maximum. Let x and y are two numbers. Show solution. Now x plus y equal to 24. Let x and y are two numbers. Okay. The sum is 24. X plus y is 24. The function, the product is as large as possible or maximum. So f of x equal to the product means x into y. The product x and y. Okay. So what is the here y? Now y equal to 24 minus x. Now here substitute x into 24 minus x or 24x minus x square. Oh yeah, function हो गया. Okay. Now what is f dash x? Find out. F dash x equal to derivative of x is 1 in 24. Derivative of x square is 2x. So minus 2x. Okay. Now f dash x equal to 0. So 24 minus 2x equal to 0 in plus x equal to 12. X equal to 12. Okay. Then what is the y find out? But the condition is maximum. What is f double dash x? Is derivative constant is 0, derivative x equal to 1, so minus 2 is less than 0, negative. Whatever of x is negative. So the function is maximum at x equal to 12. X equal to 12. When x equal to 12, what is the y? So y is also equal to 12. X equal to 12 and y equal to 12. Okay. Now find the two numbers x and y. So this is x and y. Okay. Now next one is now another is find two positive numbers x and y such that the sum is x plus y equal to 60 and xyq is maximum. Now solution. Now here given x plus y equal to 60. X plus y equal to 60. Okay. And f of x equal to x y cube is maximum. This is maximum. Okay. Maximum means y plus x is 0. Find out. Okay. First find the y plus x. Or we can write f of x equal to x. What is the y? Y equal to 60 minus x whole cube. Because y equal to 60 minus x. Not from this one. Okay. Now what is the y plus x? Find out. Derivative of u into v, u into derivative of v 60 minus x whole square into minus 1 because derivative constant is 0. Derivative of x equal to 1 into minus 1 plus 60 minus x whole cube in derivative of x equal to 1. Now take out comma 60 minus x whole square take out comma. Okay. Now here minus 3x plus 60 minus x, or we can write 60 minus x whole square into 60 minus 4x. Okay, so f plus x equal to 0. F plus x equal to 0 means 60 minus x whole square into 60 minus 4x equal to 0. Okay. Now here x equal to 60. Here x equal to or 4x equal to 60 implies x equal to 15. Now here x equal to 15 and x equal to 60. Now but here given x and y two positive numbers. Positive numbers if x equal to 60, y equal to 0. So 0 is not a positive number. Positive number means must be greater than 0. Okay. So now here you consider this one. X equal to 15. Okay. Next one is what is f double s x? Find out f double s x. So this is f plus x. Now f double s x. So there again u into v. Use the formula. So u into 60 minus x the whole square into derivative of this one minus 4x plus 60 minus 4x into derivative of this one 2 into 60 minus x into minus 1. Okay. Now take out a comma 60 minus x take out a comma. Here minus 4x into 60 minus x. Okay. Now here minus 2 into 60 minus 4x. Okay. Or 60 minus x. Here minus 240x plus 4x square minus 120 plus 8x, or 60 minus x 4x square minus 232x minus 120. Okay. Now at x equal to 15, what is the f double s of 15? 16 minus 15, 45. 15 square, 4 into 15 square, minus 2, 3, 2 into 15, minus 120 is less than 0. Okay. Therefore, the function is maximum at x equal to 15. When x equal to 15, what is the y? Y equal to 45. So y equal to 45. This is a x and y. Okay, now another example is same logic is same, but here the sum of whose square is minimum. Let x and y are two positive numbers. Okay, now x plus y equal to here 14. Now the function whose square is minimum. So f of x equal to x square plus y square. The sum of whose square. Let us say x and y. Whose square means x square, y square. Whose sum means f of x equal to x square plus y square. Or you can write y equal to 14 minus x. So 14 minus x whole square, because y equal to 14 minus x. Okay. Now what is f dash x find out? Same logic. F dash x equal to derivative of x square 2x, derivative of this one plus 2 into 14 minus x into minus 1. Okay. So or you can write minus then 2x minus 28 plus 2x. So minus 1 plus 2x. So 2x, 4x minus 28. Okay. When f dash x equal to 0, okay, when f dash x is 0, so that means 4x minus 28 equal to 0. So what is the x find out? So here 4x equal to 28 and x equal to 7. Okay, but the question is minimum. So what is the f dot plus x find out? F dot plus x equal to derivative of 4x equal to 4. Derivative of constant equal to 0 is 4. Is greater than 0. When greater than 0, the function is minimum. Therefore, the function is minimum at x equal to 7. Yes. Another value find out. So y equal to x plus y equal to 14. When x equal to 7, y equal to also 7. Now this is x and y. Okay. Now another example is so that all rectangles with a given perimeter, the square has largest area. Largest, that means maximum. Largest or you can write maximum. Maximum area. Okay. Now suppose this is a rectangle. Suppose this is x and this is y. Okay. The perimeter P equal to 2 into x plus y. We know that the perimeter of rectangles. Okay, this is the formula. And area equal to the area has maximum area. So x is what? Okay, or this part equal to f of x. Because this is the maximum, the largest area or maximum area. Okay, so or you can write here x plus y equal to p by 2 or y equal to p by 2 minus x. Okay, now you substitute x, y means p by 2 minus x or xp by 2 minus x square. Now function आ गया. Okay, now this is mathematical formulation, mathematical given. Now convert to formulation. This is a convert to formulation. Okay. Now what is f dash x find out? This is a physical problem. It's converted to mathematical. It is known as modeling. Okay. F dash x equal to derivative of x with respect to x means here x1 p by 2 minus 2x. Derivative of x square. Okay. Next, when f dash x equal to 0, same logic what is x out. So implies p by 2 minus 2x equal to 0. So 2x equal to p by 2. So x equal to p by 4. X equal to p by 4. Okay. So x equal to p by 4 means y equal to also p by 4. X equal to p by 4 means y is also p by 4. Okay. Now, what is f dash x find out? Equal to p is a constant. Derivative of x equal to 1 minus 2 is less than 0. Is maximum or largest area? Yes, is a maximum. Maximum. Or you can write largest area. Okay. When x equal to p by 4, then what is the y? Y equal to p by 2 minus p by 4 is also equal to p by 4. So x equal to p by 4, y equal to p by 4, that means x equal to y. Now this is answer. Okay. Okay. Now solve the area of rectangles given perimeter of the square has largest or maximum or as large as possible. Same thing. The logic is maximum, largest as large as possible. Okay. Now next one is, now here the reverse of last example. Here so that all the rectangles of given area is given. Sorry. The square has smallest means minimum, largest means maximum. Okay, so smallest is minimum, perimeter is the minimum. Okay, area suppose the same logic. This is x and this is a y, xy. Okay, the area is in maximum. Area, the given area equal to, let us say a equal to area xy. This is given. The square has the smallest perimeter. What is the perimeter? So 2 into x plus y. Okay. So from first one this is given, y equal to a by x find out. Now here substitute. So 2x plus 2 into or 2 take out common or 2 into x plus a by x because y equal to a by x. All this is there. F of x because this function is maximum or minimum, smallest that is minimum. Okay. Now what is the f dash x find out? Derivative of x equal to 1. Derivative of 1 by a is a constant. Derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. A by x square. Okay. And when f dash equal x equal to 0, what is the x find out? So 1 minus a by x square equal to 0 or x square equal to a or x equal to only positive a, not negative a, because the length or breadth is must be positive. Okay, not plus or minus, only right plus. Okay, now this is a x. So what is f double x find out? F double x equal to minus, so derivative of 1 by x square 4x by, or you can write here you can write f dash x equal to 2 minus 2a into x bar minus 2. Okay, So derivative constant A equal to 0 minus 2A and derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1 or 4A by x cube. So what is the at x equal to root A, f double dash of root A, substitute 4A by A root cube. Okay, so 4 by root A is greater than 0 because A must be positive, is greater than 0. Therefore, the function is minimum, smallest is minimum. So the perimeter is minimum at x equal to root A. At x equal to root A, what is the y? Y is also equal to A by root A equal to root A. So x equal to root A, y equal to root A, that means x equal to y. No? This is some concept of mathematical maximum minimum. Okay. Now next class we have discussed about the integration. Okay. We know that a derivative integration means just primitive or empty derivative of the. Suppose y equal to sin x. But the derivative of sin x is cos x. That means this is a derivative. Now integration of cos x dx equal to sin x, there is some constant c. Because if y equal to sin x plus c, what is the derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative constant equal to 0. So integration. So next class we have discussed about the integration. Okay. Thank you.